Alright, so Happy New Year's, guys. And today we're going to see this massive, fierce dog. What happened here? Oh my god. Told you he's fierce. Oh my god! Ah! There he is! The fierce! Oh my god! Oh, there's another one! Oh my god! Oh, run! Run! Oh my god! Joe! Woo! Whoa! Look at that dog run! Whoa! Oh, hey, bro! Hey, hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Calm down, buddy! But hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hey, where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Oh my god! Dogs everywhere! I'm scared of this dog right now. Oh, ah! Come here, dog. Give me the ball. Hey, hey, princess. Princess, give me the ball. Princess. Whoa! Whoa! Choco. Hey, hey, buddy. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Hey, don't lick my hand. Where nobody knows where. Hey, Choco, give me a hand. Hey, give me a high five. High five. Yeah, that's nice to meet you. The other hand. Come on, this hand. Give me the hand. Oh, yes, you good dog. Good doggy. Good dog. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, no. Choco, give me a paw. Paw. Give me a paw. Ow. Don't do that. Give me a paw. Give me, hey. Give me, hey, don't throw stuff. Give me a paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Come on. Give me. Such a good doggy. Such a good doggy. Give me your paw. Give me your paw, Choco. Give me your paw. Paw. High five. High five, Choco. High five. Stop being so like. He's got the face that's like, really? Really, bro? Really? Give me your paw. Give me. Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, Choco. Come on, give me your paw. Hey. Yes. There we go. What was that? Choco, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, boy? Choco, attack! Go, attack! Imagine he drop kicks himself. I'm getting excited.
He's gonna do a fatality on him. We go doom.
Dun 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 dun. Doggy! No, give my ball. Hey, 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 dog. Are you ready, dog? Dog, hey, dog. I got him. Right here, okay? Ready? Go get it. You're messed up to Choco.
He bites you. You're scared of him.
No, I'm not.
Hey dog.
How you doing? Hey dog.
His name is Choco.
Whoa.
What princess? What?
Oh, God.
Choco.
He wants to dance. Hey, you're messed up. So throwing food at him.
Throw it in his mouth.